What's up, everybody? JC here, back with another video. Finally, we are on to the sneaker unboxings. The last two videos has kind of been something a little different that I don't usually do. But if you are interested, go check those videos out. We have a concert kind of merch review of Post Malone's tour. I went to his concert last week, so we did a video on that. And then the video before that, I did kind of a little overview of what my plans are for the near future. I'm in the middle of finals. Middle May here in freezing Colorado. Head out to California in a couple days, so we'll go out for California for break for about a couple weeks. Be back 3 months of summer. That's when I have the most free time and I'm able to knock out a lot of videos. If you guys remember last summer, I was able to do literally 5 videos a week. So hopefully we get back into that. But without further ado, we have another sneaker unboxing. This will be the first of 3 videos of 5 polo shoes. So it'll be 2 single, and then one video will have three shoes. So just got this off of Foot Locker Eastbay. It's a release that came out last week. So this is hopefully not too old and outdated. I know a lot of people probably got these things early, but I'm excited to get these in hand finally. I don't have the high tops, but if you see the box, see the label, you know it is an 11 low, and it's a recent 11 low release. So you guys should know that these are the Cool Gray 11 lows, Jordan 11 that is, and these released last Saturday, April 28th. Not a not a too crazy release. Like I said, these are were kind of GR. It was easy for me to get. I got them like 3 hours after they dropped that Saturday morning, and I was still able to get them for retail, and I'm pretty sure they still might be available. I was gonna wait for them to drop, and I was like, might as well not. So this is my first look at them. Obviously, the high tops are super classic colorway. Those guys go for a pretty penny. Sorry about that. And these do not disappoint. You see the icy blue bottoms, the all gray upper, just kind of just the typical traditional. I don't know if they've ever dropped a Cool Gray 11, so this might be the first time doing it. It's hard for me to say. I'm not really sure. Size 13, easy to get. They have like a little suede upper, which I really like. They have the fresh shoe smell. I'm honestly a big fan of these carbon fiber inner. I'm a big fan of these. We do have another Jordan 11 low unboxing that will come next. And I thought those were my favorite, but these might be my new favorites. And obviously Jordan 11 lows, great summer shoe, great to wear with shorts, stuff like that. So right in time for the summer. I'm pretty excited to get these in hand. Let me know what you guys think about these. Did you guys pick up a pair? Were you guys waiting for them? Did you guys not like these? What's the deal? What are your thoughts on these shoes? Because I am a fan and I am sold. And I'm really liking these. I'm going to bust these out as soon as possible. I'm happy with my purchase. I'm happy I made a decision. I'm happy I decided to pull the trigger on these things right here. So next, I'll probably do an on foot of these. Maybe not. I've kind of been getting away from that just because I haven't really been buying like the new releases. It's been like going back and buying old shoes that I've previously wanted, like these Air Max 95s. Came out in like 2016, I believe, and this is a shoe I've been eyeing for a while. And I've been buying stuff like this, shoes that came out in the last couple of years that I've been eyeing and haven't really had the chance to buy. Now I'm trying to take care of that. So I haven't really been going after the new stuff unless it's the hype stuff. And as you guys know, I have terrible luck with the hype stuff. So happy to get these. Happy to be able to get them for retail. Fairly easy. Like I was able to sleep in Saturday. Didn't have to stress anything or anything like that. So let me know what you guys think, man. I'm a big fan. I know you guys have probably seen these over the last week all over YouTube. But like I said, I always appreciate your guys' feedback, your guys' input, and I'm always accepting to any questions that you guys have, because sometimes the bigger guys don't have the time to be more personable and personal and answer your guys' questions. So yeah, so I'm always happy to answer comments down below, questions, concerns, feedback, whatever it is. I appreciate you guys, and I'm always accepting of that. So Jordan 11 low, Cool Gray. What you guys think? Good purchase, do you think? Bad purchase? And yeah, that's about it for this video. Nothing too much. I will get the on foot of these probably as soon as possible, so look forward to that. And then, like I said, we have 2 more videos with 4 total shoes on the unboxings. So look forward to that in the next couple days. I'm probably going to drop them in continuous days. You know how I do it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video.